How to update audio driver on Windows 11 and Windows 10 very easily, just like a cakewalk. So for that, I'll mention a download link in the description box and I'll tell you the best way to install the driver. You just need to go to this website and download the zip folder, and once you are done, you just need to open that folder and just do a double click and install. And if it doesn't install, then what you need to do is just do a right click in the start icon and then go to device manager. And once the device manager is opened, I'll show where exactly you need to look. You need to look for sound, video, and game controller. So here you will find sound, video, and game controllers. And once you click on that, here you will find Realtek audio, and you just need to do a double click on update driver, and click on search automatically for drivers. If it's download the driver, well and good. If it doesn't, just do a right click on update driver, and click on browse my computer, and click on browse. And here select the downloads folder because you have just downloaded that driver. Just select that folder which you just downloaded and just install the audio driver. Please let me know if you have successfully installed the audio driver for Windows 11 or Windows 10. And guys, please hit the like and subscribe if this video is helpful. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day. Bye.